Another day, another adventure here in British Columbia. So today, looks like we're going to be going on a little bit of a trip outside of Squamish. We're going to be taking a ferry from Vancouver down to Victoria, BC in about a few hours. It's 8 a.m. right now. I think our ferry leaves at 10 a.m. and so we got to get down there. We're going to go down to Victoria, BC, the capital of British Columbia. And then from there, we will tour Victoria, stay there the night. And then we'll move on and go down to Vancouver and see the city as well. So it's going to be an interesting ride, interesting day today. And, looking forward to it. It's going to be fun. So, we've made it. BC Ferries. Check this out. All of this right here, all these cars are waiting to get on to the ferry. The lineups stretch all the way back down over there. And the guy told us that we're gonna have to wait at least an hour because we were supposed to be on there at 11 a.m. And since we came here a bit late, 30 minutes late, we're gonna have to be sitting in this traffic for a bit. So we're actually going into the cafe, get something to eat before our ferry leaves at 12. Market. I'll take these things. You want to take a photo with the mask on? What the hell?
When I sent to your mom, we are wearing masks. Now we can take off.
Now we take off.
It's $4.649.
Just because.
So this right here is known as the Toisson Ferry Terminal. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And it's home to the, I believe, First Nations people. I believe Toisson stands for the land beyond the sea. And we will be heading onto the ferry in about 30 minutes.
ਹਾਏ ਬਾਈ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੈਨਕੂਵਰ 'ਚ ਹਾਂ ਤੇ ਬਸ ਸ਼ਿਪ ਤੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਨ ਦੀ ਵੇਟ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਤਾਂ ਵੈਨਕੂਵਰ ਬੜਾ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗਾ ਟੋਰਾਂਟੋ ਨਾਲੋਂ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬੈਟਰ ਆ ਲੋਕੀ ਬੜੇ ਚੰਗੇ ਆ ਬੜੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਲ ਬੁਲਾਉਂਦੇ ਹੁਣ ਜਿੱਥੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਖੜੇ ਆ ਠੀਕ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਸ਼ਿਪ ਤੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਨ ਲਈ ਤਿਆਰ ਆ ਬਸ ਹੋਰ ਅੱਧਾ ਘੰਟਾ ਠੀਕ ਆ ਤੇ ਦੱਸਿਓ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਸਾਡਾ ਇਹ ਛੋਟਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਕਲਿੱਪ ਠੀਕ ਆ ਚਲੋ ਬਾਏ ਬਾਏ
Well, here we are. Just parked, walking upstairs to the ferry. So many fucking stairs. Check this interior out.
How do you get upstairs?
Oh, more stairs. Oh, here we go. Check this view out. The water stretching for miles. So I was doing my research and I actually made a mistake. Toisson is actually stands for land facing the sea. So as you can see, this ferry is about to start going, and it's going to go down this way. You can see in the distance the mountains and the skyline there. We are going to be heading down that way, and we're going to be stopping off in Victoria. It's going to be about an hour, 35 minutes. And let's enjoy the trip. Let's actually have a tour around the ship, the ferry, what's taking place, and we'll go from there. But the adventure continues. The weed smells good here, though. Can't even lie. It's funny that all these people that live on these islands, I wonder how they get their daily necessities. I mean, they're right next to the ocean, so a lot of fishing going on. The lifestyle is much more dependent on the resources that they find around the island. You're not going to find a McDonald's on the on one of the islands over here. Lifestyle is different. Check out some of these maps, some brochures. Little arcade in there.